Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Half of the top 20 ETFs in the US are linked to digital assets, underscoring the sector's growing appeal to investors. Top 4 overall assets by inflows are crypto-related, including BlackRock's IBIT, which leads the pack with over $57.4 billion in inflows. Gold prices edged higher after US inflation data sustained expectations of Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, while attention turned to other key economic data due this week. Perplexity AI made a $34.5 billion unsolicited all-cash offer for Alphabet's Chrome browser, a bid far above its own valuation as the startup reaches for the browser's billions of users, pivotal to the AI search race.
The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar, showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.